Sarcomatoid mesothelioma analysis and remedy. Sarcomatoid mesothelioma frequently paperwork as small nodules, and it can quickly unfold from its beginning factor to close by organs. It is also the hardest mesothelioma mobile type to treat, with an average prognosis of 6 months. Some treatment options can be available to improve an affected person's prognosis depending on if most cancers are stuck earlier than it has spread all through the body. Surgery. Surgical procedure is usually now not executed for sarcomatoid mesothelioma because the tumors are inflexible and frequently grow immediately into the chest wall. Cancer also regularly returns even after complete surgery. Chemotherapy is based on a spread of chemicals to prevent and save you most cancer's cellular growth. Sarcomatoid cells typically receive the same chemical mixture as the other sorts of mesothelioma. That's a combination of pemidirxt and cisplatin or carboplatin. Radiation. Radiation can't effectively rid the frame of mesothelioma on its own, but specialists may additionally keep in mind it in a mixture with other treatments.